Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to rotate on iPhone. And you have two ways how you can do this. Right now, if you can see on a normal iPhone, the rotate option is turned off. So right now, if I'm switching my screen from vertical to horizontal, you see that he will do this. Now, right now, if I'm holding my phone back, and we swipe down, you see here the option where you can lock your rotate. So right now, if I close this and now I turn my phone on a horizontal way, you see that he is not change the display or not rotating. So if you want to auto rotate, then please make sure that you turn this one off, and you can get there by holding your finger right in the top and then swipe down. And if you don't want to auto rotate, then turn this one on. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.